Welcome dear viewers. In this session we have to see about parabola. Already we are discussed in earlier sessions in under curves. But what do you mean by parabola? So when the cutting plane is inclined to the axis of the cone and parallel to one of the generators, so which cone we are selected, so then the section obtained as a parabola. So here we are looking about the various terminology related to parabolas. So already we are looked in previous under the curves, but even though we are looking again during this session of parabola, okay, that is the focus. The fixed point is called focus. Whenever we called any curves, there must be a focal distance. In this focus is nothing but a fixed point. Then directrix, vertex, then eccentricity. Already I said, so what about eccentricity? It is the ratio between the distance from fixed point to the tracing, so tracing point. So that is perpendicular distance from directrix, that is from directrix to tracing path. So that is the ratio of this distance as eccentricity. Then axis, the basic things in parabola, the vertical axis. So wherever you have to measure from vertex to the open curves, that is say for FL or 7K. So like the vertical distance, only one half above or below. If you measured that vertical distance, that we call as ordinate. So double ordinate, similar, because above and below of abscissa, there is abscissa or axis, which are pronounced in this parabola. So probably we are pronounced as axis, but in parabola it is abscissa, that is abscissa from vertex. We have to construct axis AB. That is here double ordinate. So double ordinate nothing but above and below vertical axis. Then letters rectums. So if you measure or if you mark any vertical distance from focal point or focus point, so that is called letters rectum. Then abscissa. So abscissa, it's a distance from vertex to how much length of open curve should be drawn. That is abscissa. We have to look this in later. But now, how to construct? There are various method of constructions. In parabola, what about the various methods to construct parabolas? Eccentricity method, rectangle or oblong method, parallelogram method, and tangent methods. So normally the eccentricity methods has the ratio between focal point and directrix. Already we are looked in the previous problems or in ellipse, but the same methods we have to follow in the sessions, eccentricity method. So what about rectangle? It's rectangle. There is a rectangular methods. Okay, you have to construct a rectangular box or rectangular that is entities. Then we have to segregate and form a curves. Then parallelograms. So parallelograms are both sides are parallel, and other two sides are not parallel but it inclined, but those two sides are parallel. So by that we have to construct parabola. Then tangent method, two tangent methods. So with the help of these principles, we will construct parabola, but in this session just we are looking only one method, that is eccentricity methods. For solving problems, we have taken some problems. The focus of a conic is 55 mm from the directrix. Draw the locus of a point P, moving in such a way that its distance from the directrix is equal to its distance from the focus. So then name the curves. So not only draw the locus of points, that is tracing. The locus of point is nothing but tracing of curve. So what type of curve we have to draw, that is important here. So that's why they are asking finally name the curve. So while you go through these problems, that is the locus of a point P moving in such a way, distance from the directrix is equal to distance from the focus. So what this meaning? Yeah, both distance are equal, the ratio of eccentricity both are equal, then we are straight away named that curve as parabola. So that is here it's given, but the distance, the focus of conic is 55 mm. So from the vertex the focal distance is 55 mm, that is given here. So with the help of this data we start to construct parabola. So how it is? Yeah, we have to take a drawing sheet. Yeah, in this drawing sheet we have to mentions in the title column parabola curves. Yeah, in right side in bottom above detail, that is name block columns. In the name block columns and above you have to draw a 6 mm guidelines. So in that guideline only we have to print the details about dimensions. All dimensions are in millimeter. That is we have to detailing about what dimensions we are following in this. Yeah, now so how to construct a parabola? Yeah, what similarly we are learned in a previous topic, that is ellipse. In the same way we have to construct parabola, but for ellipse, that is for an ellipse we are having two focal distance, two focal point, but in parabola it not, because it is a open curve, so that's why only one focal. So for one focal we have to construct, but it's similar fashions whatever we are followed in previous. So the same thing we have to follow. Yeah. So draw any length AB. Draw any length AB. Draw any length AB. So we have to marked, that is line AB. So any length AB we have to draw a line, that is axis. So then we have to draw perpendicular line, that is directrix. So we have to draw a directrix line by keeping, because in this open board we are not having the application of mini drafter, but while in practice in classroom on drawing board we must fix mini drafter. By using mini drafter scale we have to construct these lines, and whatever we have to draft on drawing sheet, that must follow proper instrumentation of engineering tools, that is mini drafter, then compass and so on. But in software it's not available, so I just use the scale both vertical as well as horizontal instead of mini drafter. But in actual practice you have to use or apply mini drafter only. Here you have to make perpendicular. So draw a perpendicular line. Yeah. By using 2H pencil only you have to construct. After confirm your curves, then we have to trace by using H pencil. So whatever it may be to construct a parabola, try to take 2H pencil without highly impress, don't impress. So lighter, by applying lighter effort to draw. That is the line whichever you drawn on the drawing sheet, that should be visible for your vision, not to the faraway other visions. Okay. So by that it's very easy to, whenever if you did any mistakes after erasing, so there is no impression. So that's why you have to don't impress highly. Take 2H pencil and draw a directrix. For visualization here we are taken some thicker, okay, but it not actual. So I just varying the thickness for 2H pencil black color, for H pencil red color. So like different colors I have to apply for differentiating the grades, which pencil we have to use. Here it's 2H pencil. By use of these 2H pencils, we have to draw a directrix. After drawn this directrix, what is our aim? To mark vertex. So because at the axis point, the vertex as well as the tracing path of curve both are same. So therefore we have to find out. So the distance between the directrix and the tracing path, okay, that is the tracing path, that is equal to the distance between the focal and this. But the distance between the focal is given. So we have to take the total distance. Just moments, I have to change because here the campus is not within that millimeters. So I want to consider this. So 110 mm. We have to now consider the distance from the directrix to focal point is 110 mm. So 11 centimeters. So in this 11 centimeters, so how much distance from directrix to vertex? So you have to mark 55 mm. So we have to place this scale onto this. We have to place this scale. So mark 55 mm. That is 5.5. Just moment, yes, thicker for showing this point. So 55, that is 5.5 centimeters. So 5.5 centimeters you have to put mark, that is dot. So this is vertex. We have to mark vertex. Vertex. So we have to mark vertex. So what about the focus? 110. We have to mark the point 110 also. Mark the distance from here 110. So 110, that is 11 centimeters. 110 mm, that is 11 centimeters. We have to mark. So that distance is focal. F. Focal. So what about the next procedure? It's not similar to ellipse, because in ellipse you have to draw a vertical line from vertex and measure the distance between V and F on that vertical line and mark E. It's similar now, but no need to check. So what about the distance between K dash and the final? What we have to mark, that is equal to from the F and V2. So no need to check similar what did in ellipse, but here, yeah, we have to draw a vertical line. Now draw a vertical line. Yeah, draw a vertical line. Yeah, draw a vertical line. Yeah, draw a vertical line from V. Draw a vertical line. So after drawn vertical line from point V, so then take compass. Yeah, by keeping the needle point on V, yeah, measure the distance of F. So this distance, then make an arc. So we have to make an arc. Yeah. You make an arc to intersect the vertical line drawn from V. So that is now we are named, that is lettering E. Yeah, we have to put thicker E. So now take scale, that is separate scale. So put one end there in point A. Yeah, we have to keep it there, and intersect point of E. So draw a line. And extend, but no need to find out the intersect, because in ellipse we drawn 45-degree line in right side. That 45-degree line intersect the AE extended line. From that you have to find out the distance between the axis and that intersect point. Then you have to check whether it is equal. That is only for ellipse, but not in parabola. So only draw AE extended line. Yeah, draw AE extended line. The next step, what we need to follow, yeah, from vertex you have to unequal, no need of equal, unequal. So you have to take number, either 4, 5 or 6, any numbers you have to divide axis line, that is abscissor, from V to B. So don't take more number of points. If you take many number of points, the time consumption is more. So you have to do it lot more time. So you have to cut shots by taking limited number of distance. So here I consider, so 1, I just change thickness here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is enough. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 points. I just took only 4 number of points. It's enough for smoothly construct some parabola curves. Yeah, now draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line. Yeah, draw a vertical line. From 1, that is above and below. Draw a vertical line above and below from 1. Yeah, similarly draw a vertical line Yeah, just we have to move this. Okay. Yeah, similarly, yeah, draw a vertical line from point 2 and F. So, whether you have to draw a vertical line through F or no need of, I just consider F also one of the point for constructions. Then 3, from 3 draw a line, that is on both side. On both side we need to construct. And 4, above and below. Yeah, above and below we have to draw a vertical line. So, those vertical lines intersect AE extended. Yeah, try to see AE extended, AE extended, that line intersected by a line drawn from 1, 2, F, 3 and 4. So, those intersect points we have to mark it as, yeah, those intersect points. So, we have to mark this point as 1 dash, this point 2 dash, yeah, this is F dash, this one 3 dash and this 4 dash. So, like we have to give lettering to those intersect points. So, next we have to take compass and measure 1 dash as radius. Now, we have to take compass. So, we are placing this needle point in 1, needle point in 1. So, measure yeah, here we have to change this point, measure 1 dash as radius, measure 1 dash as radius. So, now change the position of measuring, that is we are kept, yeah, F as center, we are placing F as center. Now, make an arc. Yeah, F as center, F as center, make an arc to intersect a vertical line drawn from 1, that is 1 dash line, that vertical lines you have to cuts by this curve. Here now we have to rotate, because no need to extend this curves. Okay, yeah, you have to rotate and make a intersect arc. So, a line, yeah, okay, you have to intersect and curve, that is a line passing through point 1. So, then we have to give lettering, give a lettering, this is P1, P1 dash, yeah, here this point, yeah, this point P1 dash, this point, yeah, we are mark it as P1. In similar fashions, so we have to measure, we have to in similar, measure 2 from point 2, the distance 2 dash. So measure 2 dash as radius. Yeah, I try to show. So measure measure 2 dash as radius. Okay, measure 2 dash as radius. Yeah, F as center. F as center. So make an arc to intersect, make an arc to intersect a line from point 2. So that is the concept. Okay, measure 2 dash as radius, F as center, make an arc to intersect a line from point 2. So in similar fashions here, measure 2 dash as radius. So now we are placing this campus. We are placing this campus F as center, F as center, F as center. So now, so F as center. Now make an arc to intersect a line from 2. So we have to intersect this. Yeah, exactly in this. Yeah, if you do this, it exactly. Yeah. Yeah, make an arc to intersect on both side. So now lettering. So P2 dash, here P2, give a lettering, that is P is nothing but locus point. So now we are tracing the locus point of point 1, 2, 3 and 4 and F also. Yeah, now focal distance. So yeah, measure okay, measure F dash. And now, so instead of 2 dash, so now we have to measure. So what measurements? So F dash. So F dash has radius. Here I cleared. Okay, here I cleared. Okay, so measure F dash as radius, F as center. F dash as radius, F as center. So make an arc to intersect a line from point F. So like that we have to do it in that. Yeah, here. So measure F dash as radius. F dash as radius. So here the same, in bottom is same, f dash is same as, but in top only it to be changed. The same distance you have to mark. Yeah, P F dash. Yeah, here it's PF. So like we have to give a lettering for locus points in similar fashions for point 3 and 4. Yeah, now we have to measure. Measure 3 dash 3 dash has radius, 3 dash has radius, F as center, F as center, F as center. So make an arc to intersect, make an arc to intersect a line from a line from a line from 3, a line from point 3 below and above on both. Below and above. That is now give a lettering point P, that is P3 dash P3. Then in similarly for point 4, so measure 4 dash, four dash as radius, so F as center, F as center. So make an arc to intersect a line from point 4 below and above. So mark the point, that is P4 dash P4. So after determination of these locus points, now we are able to connect by smooth curves. We have to join all this by smooth curves. So that is, yeah, but initially you have to do it by 2H pencil. After confirm the perfect smooth curves, then we have go for H pencil, that is tracing again. So now we have to join. Yeah, smooth curves from this, from V to P1 dash, P1 dash to 2 dash, from P to PF dash, then from PF to P3, then P4. In below, it's similar in below, P2, P1 dash, that is P1, then P2, then F and 3 and 4. So like we have to join. Yeah, after completing this by using 2H pencil, everything is by 2H pencil. So after completing, then we go for tracing. That is, you have to take H pencil. Yeah, here to determine the H pencil, I just change the color as red color. So H pencils. Then you have to trace. So over this. So you have to trace by using H pencil smoothly. In similar fashions in below, by using, that is H pencils. So what about the name of the curve? Parabola. So there is a questions. So they are asking what is the name of the this curve. So you have to draw a guideline below. Yeah, we have to draw a guideline 6 mm. So we have to draw a guideline. We have to draw a guideline 6 mm. So in this we have to print. Yeah, in this we have to print. So the name of the curve, parabola. Parabola. So like you have to print it. So this is the logics to construct parabola. So this is the method of eccentricity. By using method of eccentricity, we have to construct this. Yeah, you know that how to construct a tangent and normal. Suppose they are asking tangent normal. So you have to take what radius they are asking. So if suppose they are asking to construct draw a tangent normal for 50 mm, so or 60 mm. Yeah, because this campus is only above 5.3 centimeter. So I want to take 60 mm. So measure 60 mm. So measure 60 mm. That is a okay. I have to take more dimensions. Otherwise it's very difficult. So 8 centimeter I consider, okay, for tangent normal 8 centimeter I consider. So just I go for 8 centimeter. Oh, yeah, 10. I consider here 10. So after taking this 10 mm, then I kept at FS center, FS center, FS center. Then I just draw an arc to intersect the curve. Here, yeah, it's comes in some other distance. So I just change. Okay, here say 8.4 centimeter, okay, so I consider. So now we have to draw a arc. Yeah, that is locus point capital P, locus point to draw a tangent and normal. So now draw a line from focus, 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 draw a line from focus. So actually this is very thin, okay, it's not dark. Draw a line from focus. So after drawn this, you draw a perpendicular, because draw a perpendicular line from this. Yeah, because you are not having any mini drafter, is it? Set one of the mini drafter scale parallel to F and capital P, the other scale perpendicular. Yeah, like this fashions. So by using this scale, a perpendicular distance, by using the scale perpendicular distance. So, draw a line that will intersect the directrix, Yeah, this point we are marking, that point we have to mark. So, tangent T dash and T. So, by keeping this from this line draw from this we have to draw a line tangent to this. Tracing, I just using H pencil to trace the tangent curve, from that point, that is T. So, this is T. T dash tangent. So, what about the normal? Draw a perpendicular line from point P above T dash, that is normal. So, now we have to change this scale, because by using mini drafter it is very easy. You have to set one scale parallel to T dash. So, the other scale is perpendicular. By using that scale only you have to draw a normal. But here I couldn't bring mini drafter. So, it is impossible because this software not having that particular facilities. So, I am not able to use that mini drafter, because that reason I just chosen only scale. I just choose this. So, now draw a normal straight away by using H pencil. By using tracing this. This is normal. So, N dash, so normal. So, these are the procedures to bring tangent and normal and construction of parabola and so on. So, with this the construction of parabola is finished. So, with this I conclude for parabola sessions. Thank you.